Hey guys, today we're talking about the 5 ways you can make passive income online. Now, like usual with our videos, we're going straight into the information which you came here for, so I'm not going to waste your time. So my first way of making money online passively is with eBay dropshipping. Now, if you are a subscriber of my channel, you may have heard of this before. Now, this is my personal choice due to my age, however, I do quite like other things once you have some money involved, but I do like this because you don't need any money. eBay dropshipping is simply where you list items on eBay that you can get from other retail websites, and when you get an order from eBay, you simply go ahead to that website and you order it getting shipped to their address. Then when the order arrives, you keep a margin in between and you've made passive income. So that's really all you need to do, and the more effort you put into finding the right items and listing more items, you do make more money. If you're interested in that, I'm not going to talk about it too much here, but I'd really recommend subscribing because I go into all the ins and outs of how to do it properly and make good money. Now the next way, which I've previously just started myself and I'm very interested in, which I have been for a while now, which is shares. Now shares can be a bit riskier and you do need some money to start, so this may not be perfect for everybody. But if you are a working adult, a working teen, or a working young adult, this is perfect for you. Shares are pretty much where you own a small percentage of a company, a very, very small percentage, and when it goes well, you do make money because that company has performed well and therefore your portion of the company is worth more. But if there is some sort of downfall in the company or some sort of bankruptcy, something extreme like that, which doesn't always happen, but it can, you will lose your money because your portion of the share isn't worth that much anymore. Now once again, there's obviously more to it than that, so I would look around on YouTube and find out a bit more if you're interested. Now the next way you can create passive income is with YouTube videos, just like my ones here. Now you can see that this isn't very difficult. I'm just recording this from my desk here, and in fact my camera is on top of a lamp because I don't have any camera stand. So that really should prove it's not difficult at all. You should start and you can start. So this obviously does have a lot of active work involved. You need to create, edit, publish the videos, and that takes time, I get that, but the videos will always be there, so you will make money once you're monetized. On top of that, you can actually get sponsors, which is a little bit difficult, but if you can manage to get some, you can make great money. Now the next way you can make money online is with something very similar to eBay dropshipping, and it's called Shopify dropshipping. Now this is a very common way of online business and passive income, as you simply create a website rather than create a listing, and you sell a product which is from another website. Now this obviously does require a bit of work because you do need to create a website, you need to market your items, but that does mean that you are in more control and you can really control your success and make a lot of money. Now the final way of creating passive income online is something I've personally never tried before, but I'd be interested to trying. This is creating ebooks. Now ebooks take a lot of time to create, and that's quite obvious. It does take time to write, publish, edit, and make sure it's perfect. But you can make a lot of money, and once you've written that book, it is always online and it can always be purchased. This means that there is a good return on interest and you can make money for years to come if you write a good book. Personally, I'd recommend sticking with like an educational book because it's a lot easier to get someone's attention and have someone buy it. Now if you're writing something like a novel, it can be a little bit harder because you need to persuade someone to be interested in your book, but there is a lot of money in that too. Either way, just find what you're passionate about and start writing about it. And if you actually have money, you can get these ghostwritten, which is when you outsource someone to write a book for you. Now that obviously does cost money, but there is a great return on interest as once again, those books will always be there. So if you have money, look into that. Now you can sell these ebooks on Amazon Kindle, which is free to do, and they just take a margin of your profits when you make a sale, which is fair enough because they are putting in the marketing work and selling your book. So there you have it guys, those are my 5 ways of creating passive income online. I'd really hope that you can start some of these if you haven't already, and I hope you can be making money in your sleep soon. If you learned something from this video, make sure to smash the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in eBay dropshipping, which I mentioned first, I would take a look at this video here on how to start eBay dropshipping step by step, and I'll show you all the ins and outs of how to start and you can create money as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video until the end guys, I'll see you in the next video.